아니 맘다리 꽃빛비라 가자 꽉 개배 가자까
kwbang mo tui wngkha borok phai no hingkai borok iko malik rok phai ka thailik tana bagoi phalna bagoi iko kaskayo hingkai ma phalnai bele phaloi serang rok ajiwoi se jana nanggo kolom tui bai asuk khiklaioi se borok kaima hingkai asuk porishrom rok khaioi borok phaioi no bongni nukhata yang mani rok iko nosto wngmani hingkai iko jara tannai rok khai borok pilar kaikha ari khaika kebono sayowoi
Malik mutamo.
Jaga ni Malik bumung khai ko Benedict rangkhol bai ko bai te Angela rangkhol.
Angela rangkhol.
Borok phai no bong ni ari rok khai mani borok se fast khayo hingkai mani rok nosto khayo hingkai borok bo phai no jolui no borok iko bong ni pilar ro je kai mani iko borok iko kata nawi borok khitar kha ako okra som tui khayo hing okra engthong masa educated se borok uneducated baya bo para phai buino se bujong na nanggo
kaham ai kuno wale kajar ka tongaji
age wale kajar kun phan kuroi bo chini gusti noklayo ta chini iko se dara se klayo bo se chungno bujong na ni hingkai iko bo LLB paija budlal rangkhol bo mo chin mama se klayo chungke baya chungja to gusti se hai phano borok phai tangoi omtui khaiba borok no iko sana nanggo borok sabo saya buino iko to buwoi rang rok riwoi buino iko tan ro iko kwbang ma tongo hingka borok omotan kha tanoi bo
ortam tanjak nong ni je no ja bo
rabar tongo thai tongo rabar se khana at least 25 to 30 khana hingka iko kwai bo joto kaija abo tang sami bo se hingka thai to pura no anaros baroso 1200. We are planting pineapple around 1200 and they destroy all the pineapples and banana and plus rubber. They didn't inform to anyone. They didn't inform to village Gaubura also and to any people. Customary law in the Rangkhol community. They didn't inform to anyone. They didn't come to the village. Even they didn't show their face. He didn't show his face. He didn't come to the village to visit and say about this land. If he want to take, then he can take it. No problem. They can give. But still there is law, rules and regulation. There is. Anything happens, everything happens. They can do. They can divide. Mutual understanding is there. Without any mutual understanding, what for they are coming and destroying? Even while destroying this one, even they enter to our place also. Even there they destroy. I think. Two rubber plant they cut. That is not the rules na. He is educated, not with the power and money. Everything depend on human personality in the mutual understanding. We need to talk, we need to discuss.